एवरीवन, मैं सारिका कांदीवली से। मैं 2009 से योगा की क्लासेस लेती हूँ और जब मैंने इसका कोर्स किया था तब मैंने सोचा था कि मैं योग को बहुत सारे लोगों तक पहुँचाऊँगी, उनकी जो प्रॉब्लम्स हैं उनको ठीक करूँगी और वैसा भी किया भी मैंने। पर एक साथ कैसे इतने लोगों तक पहुँचाऊँ अपनी एनर्जी, पर ये जो फिटक्यू का प्लेटफॉर्म मुझे मिला, उन लोगों ने इतना फेथ मेरे ऊपर किया कि मेरा बैक टू बैक लाइव सेशंस अपने पेज पे दिया और जो उसके रिव्यूज़ आए वो भी बहुत वंडरफुल थे। मैं तहे दिल से शुक्रिया अदा करना चाहती हूँ फिटक्यू की फुल टीम का, उनके फाउंडर का, कि इन्होंने एक ऐसा पेज बनाया जिस पे हम जो बहुत लोगों तक अपनी एनर्जी देना चाहते हैं नहीं दे पाते हैं, हर जगह नहीं पहुंच पाते हैं, और इसके ज़रिए बहुत सारे लोगों से हम लोग जुड़ गए हैं। थैंक यू।
Hello everyone, this is FitQ Guru Rashinath from Mumbai, Maharashtra. Recently I have joined FitQ as a fitness trainer and I teach Zumba, Pilates, functional and Bollywood. It has been an amazing experience with them. They have given me a platform where I can teach and reach more number of participants apart from my regular virtual classes. I wish all the trainers who are associated with FitQ a happy Teachers' Day. Keep inspiring, teaching, and motivating others in a correct way. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I'm Rani Elani, trainer at FitQ. I would first like to wish Happy Teachers' Day to all my fellow trainers and instructors at FitQ. FitQ had played an important role in my journey by providing me adorable clients who have never ending of learning yoga to keep themselves healthy and fit. I'm very proud and happy to associate with FitQ and looking forward to share my knowledge and experience to more and more people. Thank you.
Hi everyone, my name is Romika Singh. I am a yoga enthusiast, yoga trainer. I am a professional dancer. I am a professional musician. I am associated with FitQ as a FitQ guru and a trainer. And I am so happy to be associated with FitQ because they have given me such a great opportunity on a great platform like Pinkathon, so that I could, share my knowledge and share my talent with so many of you out there. I got a lot of appreciation and I'm so happy about that. So to the entire team of FitQ who is working relentlessly to give yoga instructors a platform and create a great platform for the yoga enthusiast, I want to tell you all kudos, thumbs up, and a great job everyone. I would personally like to stay connected with FitQ for a longer duration for sure, and I'm waiting for more opportunities from FitQ and I'm definitely sure that I'm going to get it. So yeah, and I want to wish you all a very happy Teachers' Day, and I hope that you are thankful and you express the gratitude to your teachers. I want to express my gratitude to my teachers who taught me yoga, dance, music, or just to be a good human being.
Hello everyone, I'm yoga therapist Salima Poonawala and I wish all of you a very happy Teachers' Day. I would like to tell you that I have been teaching yoga online with FitQ since April this year. And what a blessing it has been. Ever since the lockdown started and the studios were shut off, I have started collaborating with FitQ and I'm very happy to tell you that I have a lot of students not just from within India but also from abroad. Thanks to FitQ and all the support that their wonderful team offers to me, I don't have to bother about any of the technical aspects of the teaching. All that I focus on is on my students and the progress that they are making. FitQ team is very dedicated and professional and it is a pleasure working with them. If you are a teacher and if you are looking at scaling new heights in your career, if you want to teach online or grow wherever you are from, then do get in touch with FitQ. I'm sure you will also love being a FitQ guru as much as I love it. Thank you.
Hello everyone. Wish you all a very happy Teachers' Day. when the first lockdown happened, we were worried how do we conduct our yoga classes. That's when Apurva from FitQ contacted me and he suggested that we start the online yoga classes. And that's how we began. And now we have presence over Zoom, WebEx classes, and Facebook sessions. And I feel very happy to have surrounded with so many healthy and enthusiastic fitness members around me. Thank you, FitQ, once again for giving us this platform so that we can help achieve everyone's fitness goals. Thank you.
Hey guys, this is your FitQ Guru Neelam. I'm a Zumba instructor and a fitness trainer as well. I've been associated with FitQ since last few months. In this pandemic situation when everything is closed, our studios are shut, FitQ has given us a huge platform where we can connect with so many new clients as well as we can grow with our existing clients. So a big thank you to FitQ and to all the trainers who are associated with FitQ. Happy Teachers Day. Keep growing and keep smiling. Take care. Bye-bye.
Hi friends, it's Fit Guru Nikita. I am a yoga instructor. Thank you Fit Guru to giving us such a wonderful opportunity to join your association. Last few weeks I have only joined this association. I have enjoyed a lot. I have experienced a lot of people and I have a lot of fun with the new techniques, new method. So once again I wish you a happy Teachers Day. So bye guys.
Hello, I'm FitQ Guru Varsha Pradashar. I give my classes on this platform as a Zumba instructor, functional strength trainer, and dance fitness instructor and karate instructor. I am working with the FitQ Guru from last 2 months and I'm very happy with this association on this platform. And I appreciate the FitQ Guru because FitQ is bringing trainers and trainees all together on one platform, and this is really very good. You can find here a certified and trained instructor, and I appreciate, really I appreciate. And we as an instructor trying to give our best to the members, to our clients, and helping them to achieve their goal fast. And that's all. Happy Teachers Day all of you. Bye. Thank you.
हाय एवरीवन, मैं हूँ फिटक्यू गुरु नवनीत. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल हैप्पी टीचर्स डे टू एवरीवन and special thanks to FitQ for giving all the yoga teachers and all the fitness trainer a very good platform so that we could actually take our online classes जो actually लॉकडाउन की वजह से ऐसा लग रहा था अब स्टॉप हो जाएगी, अब पता नहीं कब लोग फिटनेस की तरफ आएंगे and when we'll start our classes. But luckily FitQ has given us a very good platform through which we started our online classes, and everyone is really very happy, all our students. Special thanks to FitQ, and again happy Teachers Day to all the lovely teachers. Take care.